Alright, y'all. I'm trying to clean these windows. I tried all the methods they told on YouTube. I don't think it's working. Or if it ain't, I must be doing something wrong. So I need to know what tips and advice y'all got. Removing this old tint. But yeah, you can see this hazy buildup on the windows right here. Let me know how I can get that off. I was gonna just replace all the windows, but then I found out they cost about $1,000, so nah, we gonna fix it. So I tried the Goo Gone toothpaste, the finishing pad, the 000 steel wool razor. Gonna try some vinegar. If there's something else I missed out on or I need to try, let me know. Just trying to get this haze off. You know, maybe I'm not putting enough elbow grease, but give me your thoughts. I want to clean it all up. Don't want to spend another $1,000 just to replace all these windows. All right, leave a comment. First run with toothpaste and steel wool. Still can't get this out. Let that sit. Gonna wipe it off. See how it looks. Damn. Alright, y'all, so I found out this could possibly be due to sandblasting, which sucks. Some folks said that I gotta replace the glass. That right there. I tried everything, razor, whatnot, but if that's sandblasting, if that's due to sandblasting, I gotta replace the glass. You can see it up here too, around there, up here. But for this back tint, I'm about to try this black plastic bag window cleaner method, hopefully, because it's taking way too long to remove. It's very tedious, annoying process. So I'm about to try it. You spray glass cleaner on the window, then put a black plastic bag on, make it stick to it, then let it sit in the sun. So let's try that out. So this black bag Windex thing didn't work for me. Back to a sharp razor scraper and Goo Gone. Alright, y'all. Trying something new. Vinegar and baking soda paste with a 3M finishing pad. Gonna let it sit for a little bit, then wipe it down. Hopefully this works. I don't want to have to replace the glass. I did a little piece earlier. Looks pretty good. Might get better results if I had a drill or some kind of tool to buff it out. So, but that looks good. Hopefully it gets that calcium, or from what others say, sandblast etching, which I hope not, because they said that can't be removed. But we'll see. Fingers crossed. So I tried everything to get that stuff off the glass. First I tried toothpaste, baking soda with vinegar. I used just a rag and a brush. I tried the paint thinner. Then I even tried got this polishing kit with a drill and this stuff, cerium oxide. It's supposed to be a glass polisher, but none of it worked. I used a little small razor scraper tool that I got off eBay also. I tried that. Spent hours scraping. At least I was able to get the tint off. But in the end, after all this, my glass is trash. I thought it was just some paint or sticky material that could have been rubbed or scraped off, but that's not the case. It got sandblasted on, so basically I got to get a new set of glass. More cost added. I didn't know glass was that expensive. Gonna spend about $800 to $1,000 on some glass, but you live, you learn. I wish I would have known before. I probably would have got some cost taken off on the price of the car, being that the glass was damaged. But I tried everything. I was hoping that some of it would come off, but not the case. I showed y'all all the material and all the techniques I tried. If there's something I missed out on, or if you think you could save sandblasted glass, leave a comment. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Peace. Go Braves.